guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a Chelsea boot review and unboxing for you. We've got the Dr. Martens 2976 quad. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the Dr. Martens 2976 quad. We got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's US 9. So if you don't know, like Dr. Martens are a really big British heritage brand. You think of like the scene of like punk, early Camden, you think of Dr. Martens boots. This, what we've got, is part of the Gothic pack, and as you can see, yeah, it's very Gothic with all that stitch detail. Very Camden in that scene era, you know, when, well, I don't know, it's like, for me, it was around 2010, that Tumblr era, when the scene kids were about, and, well, to be fair, it was like a very emo movement as well. In, early 2000s, so I can see this thing in there. You're kind of seeing a revival of 2000s fashion, and like the music that you're hearing on popular radio, even like it's very. You got artists like Olivia Rodrigo and Machine Gun Kelly kind of doing like their pop punk, and this kind of reminds me of that scene. Also, even though it's not like some Macbeth shoes or Converses, well, Dr. Martens, people used to wear Dr. Martens all the time at gigs and concerts, especially for that kind of music. I'm just waffling on. Let's get into this boot for you. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is PVC, and like a lot of Dr. Martens, you've got that signature outsole design because it was kind of orthopedic and they are relatively comfortable. The midsole unit, again, is part of that PVC, so it's just all around. But this time, it's stacked in this, well, it's a bit more higher than the normal 2976 I usually see, because in this thing, it's a quad, so this is like, it's a quad sole unit. And then you look at that upper unit, and it's very Gothic in its design, hence the name, you know, it's part of the Gothic pack. It's white stitching all around the rands here, and then the upper, so you can see you've got a toe cap with some stitch detail right there for you, and you've got essentially like, I wouldn't say, well, it's kind of like an apron here with a lot of stitch detailing, a lot of cross stitch detailing as well. It's very Gothic in this look, as I mentioned before. And right here in the gusset, so usually it's in an exposed elastic, but here you've got a leather paneling with a lot of stitch design there also. Then you've got the Dr. Martens pull tab in its famous black and yellow with the bouncing soles right there. And the insole itself, let's get into it. So you've got this foam insole with the Dr. Martens logo also. So this is quite heavy, obviously, because there's a lot of boots, a lot of PVC on this. It's very expressive, very loud, very different. I mean, if you're into that kind of scene, if you like that kind of music, these are the ones. Or if you're just a big fan of these boots, go ahead and try them on. Dr. Martens, you can't go wrong, because you do have to break them in, unfortunately. They're a bit stiff with my experience with Dr. Martens boots and shoes, but they're very, very much an iconic boot, and this is going to surely turn some heads when you wear them. So without further ado, me trying these 2976 quads on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Dr. Martens fit. This is a UK size 8. Unfortunately, when it comes to Dr. Martens, I typically wear a UK size 7. So this is a bit spacious for me. My toes aren't at the very tippy top, but these are really cool on actually. Not for me personally, I'm getting like a plain version. If I was to get like wild Dr. Martens, it would be a collab with someone like the Waka Maria 4061s that they did. But this Gothic pack, not really for myself, but I know that there's some Wednesday Addams viewers out there who would really dig these. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.